Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays it is very difficult to get a slot for vaccination. I am making this video to make your task easy. It is guaranteed that you will get a slot definitely if you are following the tricks that I will explain in the video later. For this, you have to install either Telegram or Paytm. Any one of these application will make your task simple. So without much delay, let's start the video. First, I am going to show you how to get the notification regarding the vaccine slot by using Paytm. First, you have to click on the Paytm icon. Then you have to go to the search bar. There you have to type CO. Then it will appear COVID-19 vaccine finder. There you have to click. Now I am searching for the pin code 751024. Age group 18 to 44. Dose 1. Check availability. You can see no slots are found. So I am clicking on notify me when it is available. Then this type of interface will appear. You have to click on dose 1. Then type of vaccine you want, Covishield or Covaxin. Click on continue. Then your notification is set. You can share it with your friends or family members. Then I will set it by the district. Wherever it will be available, I will get notification. You can see all the states are available along with the union territory. Now I am setting it as per the district. 18 to 44 dose 1. Here also it is showing no slots available, so I am setting the alert. Dose 1 Covaxin continue. Another notification is set. This is very simple, just few steps, few clicks, then you will get the alerts. You can see. Now both of my alerts are set to my nearest pin code along with my district. You can also stop all alerts by clicking here after getting vaccine slot, or if you don't want to get more alerts. Now you can see all the states and union territory are available, so from wherever you belong to, there is no problem. You will get notification by using the Paytm vaccination finder. Next one is regarding Telegram. You have to go to browser, then you have to type under45.in. Then it will take you to this type of interface. Here you have to select your state. I am selecting Odisha. Then I am selecting my district, Khordha. Now I have to join the Telegram channel. Now my task is done. Whenever slots will be available, notification will come. As you can see earlier, many notifications have come. Then and for another district I am setting. Here also all the states and union territory are available. From wherever you belong, you can select. Now I am setting another notification for Mayurbhanj. Now I joined the Telegram channel. Whenever slot will be vacant, I will get notification. Like this, you can select your state and district. Now I am selecting Daman. For example, I am showing you if you belong to a union territory, you can select Daman and you can join the Telegram channel of Daman. Then whenever slots will be available, you will get the notification instantly. This is all about. Just you have to set notification alert either in Paytm or in Telegram. You can see another notification I have set for New Delhi. Whenever the slots will be vacant, notification comes automatically. So if you have watched the video till yet, like, share and subscribe for more informative video. In the next video I will show you the live slot booking by using this trick. So definitely it will work 100%, but you have to be alert and you have to use faster internet connection. And if you are using the mobile phone, it is much more easier because this process is faster than the Tatkal booking and the MI flash sale. So, and you have to keep in mind, like you, thousands of people are using this notification. So you should be alert whenever you are getting the notification. You should proceed without much delay. If you don't have any of this Paytm or Telegram, then link is in the description. You can download and you can join the Telegram channels. I have one of my own channel along with the under 45 link that also I have given in the description. So without much delay, you subscribe the alerts. In the next video, I will try to show you the live vaccination slot booking using these tricks. Till then, bye bye, take care. See you in the next video. Thank you.